Hi everyone, welcome back to our Hugging Face tutorial series. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most exciting parts of Hugging Face, the models section. This is the heart of the Hugging Face hub, where you can explore, filter, and discover thousands of AI models for natural language processing, computer vision, speech, and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate the models page and use its sidebar menus, including main, tasks, libraries, languages, licenses, and others to find exactly what you need. To begin, head over to the top navigation bar and click on Models, or go directly to huggingface.co/models. Here, you will see a huge collection of pre-trained and community contributed models, all searchable, filterable, and ready to use. The left sidebar is your control panel for finding models based on tasks, frameworks, and many other parameters. In the left sidebar, first tab Main. This is your overview area where you can explore models by task types, parameter sizes, libraries, apps, and inference providers. Under tasks, you will find categories like text generation, image to text, text to image, text to speech, and more. These define what a model can do. The parameter slider lets you filter models by size from smaller models under 1 billion parameters to massive ones exceeding 500 billion. Under libraries, you will see frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, JAX, transformers, diffusers, and many others. This helps you pick models compatible with your preferred ML framework. Then there are apps such as VLLM, TGI, Ollama, or LM Studio, which integrate directly with Hugging Face models for deployment and inference. Lastly, inference providers like Fireworks, Together AI, and Nscale are cloud partners that can run models efficiently at scale. In short, the main section gives you an all-in-one dashboard to explore the Hugging Face model ecosystem. Next up is the Task section. This page organizes models by what they are designed to do. For example, multimodal tasks that combine text, images, and audio. Computer vision tasks like image segmentation or object detection. NLP tasks like text classification, translation, or question answering. Audio tasks such as speech recognition or text to speech. And others tabular reinforcement learning types of models. You can simply click a task type to instantly filter all models trained for that specific job, making it super easy to find exactly what you need. Now let's move on to libraries. This section lets you filter models by the machine learning framework or library they are built with. Popular options include transformers, diffusers, tensors, ONNX, Keras, and more. For instance, if you are a PyTorch developer, you can filter by PyTorch-based models only. If you are working with diffusion models for image generation, choose diffusers to get compatible ones. It's a simple but powerful way to ensure that the models you select work smoothly with your existing development setup. Next, the Languages tab. This section allows you to filter models based on the language they support, from English, Spanish, and French to less common languages like Bengali or Hindi. It's especially helpful for multilingual or localization projects where you need models that understand or generate specific languages. Hugging Face's multilingual support is one of the reasons it's so widely adopted globally. Moving on to licenses. Every model on Hugging Face is shared under a specific license that defines how it can be used. This section lets you filter models by license type, for example, Apache 2, MIT, Creative Commons, or custom licenses. If you are using Hugging Face models in research or commercial applications, checking the license is crucial to ensure proper compliance. Finally, let's talk about the Others section. This tab includes additional filters like apps types, inference providers, and miscellaneous type. These options allow you to go beyond the basics, helping you refine your search and discover models with specific architectures, datasets, or experimental features. It's perfect for advanced users who want to explore niche or cutting-edge models shared by the community. The Hugging Face Models page is your gateway to the world of AI, covering everything from text and vision to audio and multimodal applications. By using the sidebar filters, main, tasks, libraries, languages, licenses, and others, you can quickly find the right models for your project, no matter your experience level. Thanks for watching, and stay with us for more Hugging Face model exploration with hands-on coding exercises tutorials.